Live from a kitchen in Las Vegas, it's Keto Cooking.
Hey everybody, welcome back. I am Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook. Well, today we're going to do a little something different. We're going to make a Cioppino, but I'm not going to make it in the traditional style. I'm not going to use a red sauce, I'm going to use a white sauce. So it'll be a blonde or a white Cioppino. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the stock from shrimp shells. It's going to be basically from scratch. The kicker is, normally you would have a nice piece of crusty bread or crostini, a little garlic bread or something to dip in there. Today we're going to use a keto method to do it. Today I'm going to be making crispy broccoli. That was almost hard to get out. And I'm going to show you how to do that, to dip into it, just something different, get away from the traditional way of eating things. Okay, let's cook. Pretty basic. I got muscle meat, okay, from the mussels, we're going to use that. Also, excuse me, I have some shrimp. Now these are U15s. Also have some nice sized scallops that I finally found out here at a decent price. So actually, they're frozen. I don't know any other way they would get them out here to be that fresh, and the cost would be extraordinary. So I'm going to use some red onion. I also have some garlic. You know me by garlic. Over here, fennel seeds that I cracked a little bit. This is going to add to some flavor. Also, I'm going to use some fennel leaf, and to top it off with is some cut up jalapeno peppers. Now, if you've never cooked with these before or used them in a traditional dish like this, they are fantastic because you know what? They give that little bit of heat to them. Also adding some Old Bay, lemon, and some white wine. I'm going to be adding a little bit of Chardonnay to it, not too much. And also I'm going to be adding in just a little dash of pepperoncino. The kicker here is that I'm going to be taking some broccoli that was steamed, and what we're going to do is I'm going to take them and push them in. I'm going to show you. Push them into some Parmesan cheese, put them in the oven, 400 degrees, just to get them crisped up. Then we can. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to be making the base for this Cioppino with some shrimp shells. Matter of fact, a lot of shrimp shells. This is why I don't throw this kind of stuff out. And also I have some shrimp water when I boiled shrimp the last time. So this is all going to be starting from scratch, and this is the last time you're going to hear my voice until the end. Stop clapping. All right, there we have it. A white or blonde Cioppino. Nice glass of white wine. You always cook with what you drink. And just a nice little treat right here was broccoli with some Parmesan cheese baked in the oven. Nice crunchiness on the cheese. Dip that in. Oh wow, that's pretty good. Matter of fact, that's really good. I don't know what to grab first here. All right, I'm going to grab a little bit of a little mussel. Wow. Oh yeah. Well, that was a freezer clean out. Now, traditionally, you can make it with red sauce, which is great. Okay. Every once in a while, I like to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to try a little scallop here. The garlic flavor. Excuse me. The fennel. The fennel is the trick. It really brought up a nice flavor to it. Shrimp is really good. Hold on, I gotta. Wow, excellent. All right, everybody, there you have it. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Check back next week. We're going to have another Tom Glover, the Keto Cook. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much.